from elementary. 4 years ago, we were just short, skinny, and innocent children. The new challenges that we might encounter. We learned a lot, we developed maturity, but we created wonderful memories. But look at us now. We've grown so fast like it was not only 4 years. Ready to graduate again. Ready to face the new challenges that we might encounter. And ready to conquer the most difficult level of a student's life. College. Today is the day we've been waiting for. Today is the day where we have received the fruits of our hard work and where we can say, my tiring days and sleepless nights are all worthwhile. We worked so hard to get to this point, but we didn't do it by ourselves. This is the perfect time to say my thank yous to everyone who I owe a huge debt of gratitude. First and foremost, I would like to thank the most important persons in my life. My family. My family has always been there for me, and I know that they will always be. They are one of the reasons why I strive so hard on my studies. Even though some of them are not here, I would like to thank all of them. To my cousin Karen, thank you for being my #1 fan, rather, my one and only fan. To my auntie, Mama, thank you for preparing my lunch and uniform for school since the very first day since my very first day. You are the best auntie in the world. To my brother, Kuya Jason, thank you for lending your artistic hands every time I need them. To my sister, Atika, thank you for being my best friend. To my favorites, Ate Colleen and Kuya JC, as well to their partners. Thank you for helping Mommy and Daddy in supporting my studies, even though you already have your own families. You are my idols. Thank you also for giving me the cutest nephew and niece, Jen and Jamie, who never failed to make me smile, even though I am very tired from school. And most of all, to my mommy and daddy, thank you so much for everything. I've seen all your efforts, your sacrifices, and your hard work just to let me finish my studies. You are my inspiration, my mentors, and my strength. You are both the reason why I always aim high, because I know that you are the very first person who will be proud and happy of me. And I am the happiest every time I see you both happy. Yes, these are all for you. Thank you so much for everything. I would also like to express my deepest gratitude to the school administration, staff, and faculty members. To Teacher Norms, Teacher Linda, and Mr. Bautista, thank you so much for all the opportunities. Thank you for making Angel Lawrence School possible. You have done a really great job in enriching the students' education. On behalf of the whole fourth-year class, I would also like to say our most sincere sorry to our principal, Teacher Norms. Sorry for all the immaturities that we have done and we have shown you. I know that we had made a lot of mistakes and that we always make you feel disappointed. We feel so embarrassed because as the seniors, we should always show the lower levels that we are the role models of the school. But still, thank you for giving us the consequences and the punishments that we deserve, because with those, we learned a lot from our mistakes and we realized that what we did was really inappropriate. Once again, thank you and sorry for all. To Miss Beth, Tatay, Nanay, Ate Joey, Ate Malu, Ate Lolit, and Kuya Greg, thank you also. You have been a part of our journey. We appreciate all the things you've done and your dedication to your work. And of course, to all the teachers here who give advice like a mother but laugh with us like a friend. Thank you for unselfishly sharing your time, talent, and knowledge, and teaching us all the values that we need to know for us to be ready in the next path that we need to take. Yes, we know that it was your job to do it, but what you did for us went beyond the call of duty. All of you have been really close to our hearts. I would also like to personally thank our subject teachers in our senior year. Teacher Les, thank you. We learned a lot from our TLE activities. Baymax Catering is always at your service. To Teacher April, thank you for trying your best to teach us and for being very generous in sharing your snacks. To Teacher Baby Ann, thank you for taking the time to explain everything, sometimes repeatedly because we weren't paying attention. To Teacher Ampi, thank you for being the best math teacher ever. Even though you always give us headaches because of the seat works and quarterly exams that you had given us. And to those who didn't have the chance to be our subject teachers, you are very lucky. Thank you also because you treated us well like your own student. And of course, to our dearest celebrant, Teacher Julie. First of all, thank you for being really patient to this batch. Thank you for not giving up on us even though we always get you into trouble. Thank you for being a teacher and at the same time a friend, a mother, and a grandmother. Even though you always annoy us with your corny jokes every day, we love you very much, and for us, you are a great teacher who inspires us all. Thank you very much. And don't forget that there are 32 persons who love you like your own children. Again, on behalf of the whole fourth year class, I would like to thank all the teachers here. And sorry for all the stress we had given you all. And of course, to my classmates. We've shared so many smiles, so many tears. We have a bond that grows stronger throughout the years. We may not be brothers and sisters by birth, but as time goes by, God put us together to be brothers and sisters by heart. I know that some might remember this class because of the bad feedbacks we had, but still, I am very proud to this class. Each and every one of them has their own potentials. I hate to say this, but I'm going to miss each and every one of you. Most especially to the 5 persons who are always been by my side. They say that sometimes the most ordinary things could be made extraordinary by simply doing them with the right people. Camille, Charles, Lisa, Bob, Nikki, thank you for making my high school life extraordinary. Even though I am already annoyed seeing your faces every day, I will miss those faces in college. Thank you for being my best of friends. To all my batchmates, we're going to our different paths right now, but I hope that this is not yet the ending, but just the beginning of a better friendship. Thank you. Lastly, I would like to thank God for providing me these great people around me. Also, thank you for all the blessings and guidance you had given us. We are not here if it wasn't for you. Thank you so much for everything. Success doesn't just come and find you. You have to go out and get it. We entered high school as children, but we're leaving here as adults. All of our hard works were paid off. What we will be in the future will depend on what we do with our lives today. To my fellow graduates, we will still face challenges ahead on us. Face those challenges straight on with your head held high and your heart wide open. It is not enough to simply try to get by in life. You must try to excel in everything you do and reach your dreams with flying colors. The future is truly in our hands, so let's make the most out of it. A friend once told me that we should not be afraid to reach the end. Because as our graduation song said, it's the heart that really matters in the end. Angelo School, our second home, our alma mater, we will surely remember you with every success that we will receive. You have been a great part of our lives and we will never turn our back on you. It has been a tough yet sweet journey. This is not a goodbye. It's a see you later. To all the graduates, congratulations. We made it! Thank you and God bless us all.